Hello and welcome to Happy English Learners. Today, we are going to hear a story about two frogs. This story will teach us an important lesson about staying strong and not giving up, even when things seem impossible. So sit back, relax, and listen carefully. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Once upon a time, deep in the forest, a group of frogs was hopping happily along a path. Their journey, however, was about to take an unexpected turn. As they hopped through the woods, two of the frogs slipped and fell into a deep pit.
We're stuck! How do we get out?
This pit is too deep. We'll never make it.
It's impossible. You're as good as dead.
The other frogs began to shout that there was no hope. One of the frogs in the pit believed them, and after a few tries, he gave up.
Don't waste your energy. Just give up.
They're right! I can't do it!
But the other frog refused to listen and kept jumping, harder and harder. The more the crowd told him to give up, the higher he leaped.
Stop. You're just hurting yourself.
I can do this. I won't stop now.
Finally, with one enormous leap, the frog made it out of the pit.
How did you do that? Didn't you hear us?
The frog looked at them, confused, and explained that he was deaf. He thought they were encouraging him all along.
I thought you were cheering me on. Your words gave me strength.
We didn't know.
This story teaches us a valuable lesson. Sometimes, we must block out the negativity of others. Words have the power to lift us up or tear us down, but it's up to us to decide how we let them affect us. Remember, the power of encouragement can move mountains or, in this case, help a frog jump out of a deep pit. The moral of the story: be mindful of your words. They can either be a source of strength or a burden of despair.
Great job so far. Let's review what we've learned. Pit, pit, pit. Encourage, encourage, encourage. Negativity, negativity, negativity. Deaf, deaf, deaf. Persistence, persistence, persistence. Triumph, triumph, triumph. Defeat, defeat, defeat. Discouragement, discouragement, discouragement. Moral, moral, moral. Overcome, overcome, overcome. Great, we learned it a lot today. Thanks for listening. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to learn the next lesson together.